Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today we're going to do a walk around of this brand new 2021 Heli Cushion Forklift that runs on a 48-volt lithium-ion battery. Model number CPD25 GA2 CLI. This truck is hot off the presses. It just got here a few days ago, and it is here in stock and is ready for immediate delivery. It has a base capacity of 5,000 pounds. It runs on a 48-volt, 542 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, and you'll see there that it has three-way hydraulics. Now I want to show you here quickly how convenient and how easy it is to hook up your charger port right there. Nice and convenient. Coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches, and it has your integral side shift. Now, this forklift comes with this 480-volt 3-phase charger, and it comes with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Looking at the tires, you will see that these are smooth black cushion tires. And coming up to the headlights, we have some great features up here because we not only have these ultra bright LED forward-facing headlights, but we also have those front-facing work lights as well as combination lights that have your turn signals on them. That's a great safety feature. Inside, we have more safety features with dual rear view mirrors, as well as that convex mirror up high. And coming down to the steering wheel, we have that steering wheel knob. Now let me show you this seat because this is a fully adjustable full suspension seat. It moves forwards and backwards and also has incline. Back there on that rear pillar, you see that we have the rear assist grab handle with a horn, which is another great safety feature. And on the back, you see lots of lights. We have that strobe light as well as those combination lights that show you not only the turn signals, but also the brakes and our backup light with our backup horn. Like I said, this forklift is here in stock and is ready for immediate delivery. If you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available as well as other features that you need to know about.